Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to share any Canva design with a simple link. First, open the design you want to share. Look at the top right corner and click the Share button. A window will pop up. Click the Get Shareable Link or Invite People section. By default, anyone with the link can view your design. To let them edit, click the drop-down and change it to Can Edit. Once you've set the permission, click Copy Link. Then paste that link anywhere, email, text, or chat, and anyone can open it. If you want to share directly without a link, type the person's email address in the Invite People box. Canva will email them an invitation to view or edit your design, depending on what you select. On mobile, open the design and tap the share icon in the top right. Tap Link Settings to adjust permissions, then tap Copy Link. One important thing to know: if your design includes paid or premium elements, people you share it with will see a watermark if they try to download it unless they have their own Canva Pro account. A quick tip: you can also share a design as a template. Toggle on Template link in the Share window. Anyone who clicks it will get their own copy of your design to edit without affecting your original. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.